Yeah. That's it. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Super good.
Watch me.
I got you. Come on.
Ah!
I got you, dude. Come on. Yeah. Nice, dude.
Ah! Oh!
It's a little spooky, huh?
Dude,
Yeah.
I slipped off of that thing.
I bet.
Oh my. I was actually very happy you were here.
Yeah, man, for safety.
You maybe just you gave.
You should call it labor pains.
Yeah,
because you sound like you were giving birth.
Really?
Oh.
Does it have a name? Oh, where you off to, man?
Just screwing around.
Let's see.
Alright, watch me still.
I got you, I got you. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Dope, man. That's
Look
sick.
at this dead tree.
What's up?
It's like a little old bonsai.
Really?